Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix your phone that is inaccurate problem in just 2 minutes. We have two methods to fix this problem, so let's apply the first trick. So click on that, adjust that, and here you can see automate date and time. You have to enable this. In most cases accurating date and time doesn't work, so we apply the second method here, and the second method is to update the WhatsApp. Update the WhatsApp Messenger from here, Google Play Store, and if you have no free space, so use the Google Chrome or any browser to download the WhatsApp, the latest version of WhatsApp, and install the APK file. Open and enjoy the WhatsApp. I hope you like this video, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tech videos.